Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to DoorDash. First, ensure you meet the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, possess a valid driver's license, and have current auto insurance. You will also need a reliable vehicle, which can be a car, scooter, or bicycle in some markets, and a compatible smartphone to run the DoorDash Dasher app. These are the foundational steps before you even begin the application process. Once you meet the initial criteria, download the DoorDash Dasher app from your app store. Open the app and follow the prompts to start your application. You will need to provide personal information, including your name, address, and social security number, along with details about your vehicle. A crucial step is consenting to a background check, which typically takes a few days to process. This check ensures safety and compliance for all Dashers. After your background check is successfully completed and approved, DoorDash will review your application. Upon approval, you will receive an activation kit in the mail, which typically includes a DoorDash red card and an insulated hot bag for deliveries. The red card is used for specific orders where you pay with the card. Finally, set up your bank account for direct deposit, ensuring your earnings are transferred smoothly, usually within 2 to 3 business days. With everything set up, you are ready for your first dash. Log into the Dasher app and select Dash Now or schedule a dash for a specific time. The app will show you available orders in your area. Accept an order, pick up the food, and follow the in-app navigation to the customer's location. Remember to use your hot bag to keep food warm. If you have any questions or issues, the in-app support is always available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.